Welcome back to MATLAB. Today I am going to show you how we can solve this equation 3 to the power of 41 equals with x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 4 plus z to the power of 5 for x number, y number and z number, non-zero number. So, how I'm going to do that? First of all, I'm going to rewrite 3 to the power of 41 as 3 multiplied with 3 to the power of 40. Yes, it's the same results, 3 to the power of 41. Results that 3 to the power of 40 plus 3 to the power of 40 plus 3 to the power of 40. I can rewrite also this one, this type of number. So furthermore, I'm going to rewrite those three numbers as 3 to the power of 20 to the power of 2, yes, plus we have 20 multiplied with 2 equals 40, this one, plus 3 to the power of 10, everything to the power of 4, plus 3 to the power of 8, everything to the power of 5. I can see now in here that I have one number x to the power of 2, which is the same number as this one. Now I have another number y to the power of 4, which is this one also. And also z and to the power of 5, which are those ones. Results that we have the base 3 to the power of 20 equals x, 3 to the power of 10 equals y, and 3 to the power of 8 equals z. Yes, the exponents 2, 4, 5 remains the same. So we have our solution 3 to the power of 41 equals with 3 to the power of 20 plus 3 to the power of 10 plus 3 to the power of 8. It's an easy method to solve an equation. I hope you understood this example. That's it for today. Let me know in the comments what type of exercises you want me to explain. If you understood this one, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.